For free customizable daily meditations from the best personal growth teachers in the world, create your free Mindvalley account today at mindvalley.com. Your meditation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take a deep breath and allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment, here and now. Connecting with your body, with your breath, and taking note of whatever sounds are present in your surroundings. Just observe. Take another deep breath. Allow yourself to open up to the subtle depth of this meditation. Allow layer by layer of tension to slip away and make space for a sincere sense of trust. The kind that tells you it is safe to let go, to surrender, to sleep. The most powerful decision you can make in this moment is to let go. Let go of the weight of your responsibilities. Let go of your to-do list and all that is waiting for you in the future. Let go of any recent events that occupy your mind and whatever else is there that just won't allow you to rest. Let go of control. Just let go. You deserve this moment to feel held and cared for, because you know sometimes you care too much about others, about projects, about whatever is needed from you. You care so much that you sometimes forget to care for yourself or to let yourself be cared for. This is your moment. Everything and everyone else can wait. Take a few deep breaths and feel how your body is lightening up. Feel the soothing energy flow through your being. Feel the lightness that fills your arms and legs and swirls in your belly and chest. With every inhale, breathe in more of that lightness, enjoying the tingles and the light, subtle sensations that activate all throughout your body. Recognize how your mind has calmed down, and all those million little things don't seem so important anymore. They're not in this moment, because this is your moment, your present. You are the most important. something you can control by the actions you take. Trust can only be found when you surrender, when you let go, when you know from deep within that no matter how overwhelming life's circumstances are at times, you are guided, you are taken care of, you are held by the universe. And the more you trust, the more everything will fall into place with ease. All you need to do is let go. Let go and surrender to the divine chaos of existence. Let go and surrender to deep, profound, rejuvenating sleep. Trusting it will all unfold how it is meant to be. And as you feel yourself drifting off peacefully into dream, as a final gesture, place one hand on the center of your chest and breathe into your heart. Feel a flow of warm energy enter the space in your chest as you keep your attention here. Breathe. You are held by existence. You are taken care of. You are loved. It is safe to let go, to open your heart to the unknown, to surrender to sleep.
We hope you enjoyed your meditation. For free daily meditations, hypnotherapy sessions, and altered states training to help you improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, increase self-confidence, or dive deeper into spirituality, download the Mindvalley app. You can't put a price on better mental health, so we didn't. Enjoy free meditation every day. Simply download the Mindvalley app to get started.